You can count. Hey guys, Rizzy here, and welcome back to the video. So today, if you can even hear us, I'm not even sure they can hear us.
Yeah.
We are at our town fireworks. I know it's not 4th of July, it's 4th of the 7th. I mean, 7th of July.
7th of July.
July 7th.
Yeah.
It doesn't have the same ring to it, does it?
No.
Either way, so, yeah. And we're gonna wait for the fireworks to come. So now
We're gonna head to the playground because we're young and spry.
I mean, you may be spry. I mean, it took a lot for me to get out of bed this morning. Hey girl, it's the test to wait every friend like me. Okay. So yeah, now we're please don't. So yeah, and we're going there.
Hopefully. Oh my God, there's a firefly.
Where is? Somebody has the glowing Minecraft sword.
Oh my God.
Oh my God! So now we're.
Hopefully I don't think that the.
So yeah, we're going now. This one's not gonna be open. So yeah, we're here. Yep, this.
Oh, I got one.
Oh, did you even try?
No, kind of flew on me.
Oh, I hit it. Oh, that was unfortunate. So, do you want to be childish?
Yeah.
Lexi. You're breaking the rules. You're not supposed to climb up the slide. I'll be like a good person. And I'll climb up this. Hey, don't you dare push me, especially with my new phone.
Just people, abort.
That's like a human contact. No. And this time you can actually go down the slide because there's no water on it.
Yeah.
I don't think you're having much luck with that.
They just took the other one now.
Hey, why don't you come over here? You're not going.
Nope, that's not happening.
You ain't as young as it used to be. Let's go. Oh. Yeah. So we're hiding here now from all human contact. Even though we're both humans and we are in contact.
Ow!
Oh, don't get stuck up there. Oh, don't get stuck up there. Oh, honey. Oh, honey, no. Oh, no.
It's so dark. This is a bad video. We have to.
We go into
Go into society.
Hey, do you want to go down the swirly slide? Okay, so here we're going. We're going here. I'll watch Lexi go down and then he'll go down. Go! 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 Hi, go! Should I film this way or should I film towards me? Oh. No!
Okay. Wait. Okay. Go. That hurt my legs when I did that.
I hurt my back. I twisted my back, everybody.
I'm still on the bottom.
Do you just want to steal somebody so you just to feel accomplished?
Yeah.
You have weird goals. You know, what time is it? It's 8:50. What? No, it hasn't even been a minute.
Oh my God! You just.
There's a firefly. Goodbye. Oh, I'm sad. You know the song Fireflies?
What? Yeah.
Well, I can't actually remember a verse to that right now.
I can't believe my eyes.
Oh, that's
There's
it.
10 million fireflies. I have their album. What is it? Owl City? Owl City? I have their album. I loved it.
Wait, who wrote Fireflies?
Owl City.
Oh. Well, I obviously do not know that.
There's 10 million fireflies lit up the world as I fell asleep looking at us.
So maybe because we're too weird.
Maybe because we're singing fireflies.
Not to mention, we are talking into a... You let it, we can only do this for like 2 more minutes. She finally got her wish. Right now I'm saying. No.
I'm gonna touch the sky.
It was 10 million fireflies.
I'm too old for this.
A little girl just said, "I'm too old for this," when she was trying to get in the bed. I'm too old. What is wrong with you? You get such a headache after this. Playing position.
There's some people that we know from like our school and stuff. And they were staring at us because we were acting weird. And you know, no one got time for that.
I was gonna go back to the fireworks. The fireworks are about to start.
So
Let's go.
go scare them.
You do that. Who? Oh, it's you. So we're back now. Oh, she has a weapon. This isn't good. Oh no. Now I have a weapon.
Go! Come at me! Oh, mine's bigger than yours!
No. Boop. Wait, stop fighting for a second. I'm trying to... Oh, hi, that was really close to my face.
Wait, ready? Go!
Oh, don't boot my screen.
I booped to the viewers.
Oh, but I'm sure they look...
5 of them.
Not even. No. Ah. No. I don't like glowy red thingies. I don't like violence. Are we both technically dead?
Yeah.
We stabbed each other in the stomachs like 5 times.
Ready? Oh, wait, no, wait. Hold on.
What are you, like a plane guy? Oh, they're gonna start.
I'm gonna start. Let's fight.
Whoa! Whoa! see us.
Hold on, we're backlit. Here.
Ah, there we go. So thank you for watching this
Video.
Please leave a like,
And a comment.
subscribe if you're new,
And we will see you.
in another video.
Bye.
Happy birthday, America.